Okay, question. I have a candle shop and a jewelry shop. Should I try a limited drop of Valentine's candles in my jewelry shop? Been there on Etsy for 10 years and lots of repeat customers. Hell yeah. I mean, yes. Um, if you have Valentine's candles and you want to try do a little cross promotion, absolutely. Why not? Because people who buy jewelry also buy candles. It's not like the two are mutually exclusive. And you might as well. But what I would do is, do you have an email list? Do you have a mailing list? Make sure that you are sending it to your mailing list first, saying you get first dibs because you're on my mailing list. And that's a benefit of being on my list, is that you get to hear about these things first. Okay. Same thing if you have a Facebook page or a Facebook group for your business, give them first dibs, because you might sell everything and then you don't even have to worry about doing it in your Etsy shop. Make sure that you always give whatever community that you have a benefit. And that's why people want to follow you. That's why they want to subscribe. That's why they want to be in your group, because you're giving them some kind of a benefit that the general population doesn't get. If you have a lot of repeat customers, then they probably would be interested in something like that. And if you start giving them benefits like that, then they'll be more likely to pay attention to your social media posts and to open their emails that you sent. But yeah, if you're going to do a limited special occasion drop kind of situation, send it to them first and say, you can get this on Thursday. On Friday, I'm opening it up to the public, but you're on the email list, so you get it on Thursday, but you better buy it now before it opens up, because this is going to sell. I say, this is going to sell out. I'm giving you all the option first to get things. And you will be surprised at how many people purchase immediately if they think they're going to miss out. It's the fear of missing out. This is just using one kind of a selling trigger that makes people, it's a nudge to make people buy. And okay, so you do have an email list. Excellent. I'm thinking about an add-on too on Etsy with a discount combined with a heart pendant. That would be great. Yes. Anything that you can do to do a bundle that with a little bit of a discount, people like that. But give it to your email list first, and then you might not even have to do anything on Etsy. And anytime you don't have to do anything on Etsy and pay their fees, that's a bonus. Okay. So yeah, avoiding fees on Etsy is always a plus.